As you can see, we just planted all of these green giant trees here, and we've mulched around them, a circle around them. This is sweet peat mulch that we use, and we are going to use this sprayer because it's about 1,000 feet from my house from the nearest water source. So we're going to hook up the wand here, and I'll show you how I have it all set up. The sprayer in the big tool rack, 40 gallons of water. We've got our own power source with this battery, and we've got the wand with an S-beaner holding the extra hose. And I'll show you how this works. Basically, just turn the switch on, and it gets the pressure up. It'll go between 40 and 60 pounds. And we will unhook the S-beaner. And take the wand out of the 4-hole tool holder, which fits nicely. And basically, you're spraying. This is such an awesome setup. Gives you the ability to water all of your plants wherever they are on your property. And you can also add the boom kit to this sprayer if you want to do some fertilizer or tick control or whatever. But it's a great item. It's a great add-on for the big tool rack. Great accessory. Check it out at bigtoolrack.com.